Healthy, stay healthy, confident and happy. Wish you all a very... March 8th is celebrated as International Women's Day. There are so many women who have achieved great things and inspired others. I'm here today because I had a great interest in cooking and I did a lot of hard work to learn things. I followed my heart and passion and I strongly believe that I still have a long way to go. It's your love and support which motivates me to go that extra mile to work. It is so heartwarming to see so many women, youngsters and elderly come out of their comfort zone to follow their heart and make it big in their lives. This Women's Day, let us take a vow to grow and empower our fellow women to grow. To all the homemakers, working women, entrepreneurs, you all are doing a great job. No matter what, never let yourself down. In order to take care of your family, you must take care of yourself first. Make yourself a priority. Eat healthy, stay healthy, confident and happy. Wish you all a very happy Women's Day.